Hi guys, welcome to Artist Box, yet another video for you guys. It's very simple. We are going to use these rings, plastic rings, wooden rings, and also you can use old bangles, okay, and you can use old gaskets also. The other material that we are going to need is the woolen flowers that we used, that we made using the loom last time. So those flowers, and then the woolen thread, and a pair of sharp scissors. Then we'll need a strip of satin ribbon, any color. And an important thing is a Fevicryl fabric glue, guys, because we are going to use the glue to stick the woolen and the satin and everything. So fabric glue is preferred. So please get ready with all these materials. We'll start the process now. So first I am attaching the satin ribbon to the ring so that it can be used to hang on the wall, or instead of a hook or something, I'm going to use the satin ribbon. After this, I am going to start wrapping the woolen thread around the ring so that it covers all the white areas and it's not visible. So I'm just wrapping it around. You can use different colors of woolen thread also to show it like a rainbow, or you can use satin ribbons to wrap around the ring. And also you can use jute, thin jute strips to cover the ring, so that will give you an earthy look. I just have some woolen threads lying around, that's why I'm using the woolen threads. If you have all the other things, you can use them also. It's up to your creativity, guys. There is no hard and fast rule in this project. I have fully wrapped it on the ring, guys. So I have just changed the full color into pink. So I am trying to cover the satin ribbon part so that the attachment part is not visible. So I'm just wrapping it around the satin ribbon area. you can do it same. Now this part is ready, guys, so we are going to start with the next step, which is the attachment of the flowers to the strings. So here I'm going to use strands of 3, okay, different sizes. The center part will be the lengthier one, the 2 sides it will be of one size, and then the third thing will be of the different size. So we are going to attach the flowers to these strings, and then the depends upon the size of the flowers. I have made one big flower and these things. If you're doing it in a smaller ring, in a smaller version, you can use only 3 flowers also. It will be very pretty. So we're just basically going to attach it to the ring. Here also, guys, you can stick the flower with the string using the fabric glue itself, but here I am using this traditional way of attaching the flowers. So if you feel that this is too much, you can just attach it with the glue, and also you can use simple needle and thread to stitch it across the thread also. Anything can be done in this project. There is no strict rules to be followed. See, I have attached all the 5 flowers to the strings, and this is how we are going to arrange them on the ring. So first I'm going to take the ring and I'm going to attach the lengthiest part, and then I'm going to start attaching to the sides of the ring, so that I'll get layers of flowers. So this is how it is going to be done, guys. So here I have attached all the 5 flowers with the string, and you can use different colors of the woolen thread to attach also. It will also give a nice effect, but I prefer a monotone, that's why I'm using the same colors. So this is how we are going to hang it on the wall, guys. See, this is very easy. You can attach beads, you can attach so many things to it. It will look very pretty. Let me show you how I am going to hang it on the wall. Because since I don't have a nail over here, I'm using a simple paper tape to just show you guys how lightweight it is also. So it's not going to occupy much of a space, and it looks very pretty, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do try this at home and let me know how it is, and please do share the video, like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you from Artist Box, guys. Thank you. See you all.